What's going on, guys? I know you guys know about these little cars, but for those that don't know, for the Acura Integra, sometimes your car don't want to come out of park or your lights are on. The problem may not be your brake switch. It's rather a little bushing that goes right where I put that screw, washer, and nut on. It usually goes in there, but I've came to find out that the screw does the job even more better, and it should last you 4,000 years. As you can see there, got the bolt in there, the screw, and when I let it go, it pushes in and it works perfectly. The lights are off. The switch is telling the ECU that everything is fine. Car comes out of park perfectly now. I got all my shifts. Sometimes when it's not working, when you don't have that little spacer on there for the switch to push on, the car will not start. There we go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.